According to the latest Equifax report, the consumer debt is up by a factor of 2.8% in the second quarter. So Equifax Canada, honestly one of the rating agencies that is used somewhat ubiquitously in Canada, reported that consumer debt is up by 2.8%, up to 1.9 trillion. However, what is interesting is that non-mortgage debts are down. So what you have is every other type of debt and leverage and liabilities. So credit cards, line of credit, loans, private and public, they're up. However, mortgages, they are down. According to this report, the rising mortgage balances pushed the average debt up to about $73,000. However, non-mortgage debts decreased to $23,000 per person. This is Canada-wide, obviously. Now, there's two ways to interpret this data, right? There is a school of thought that states that when consumer debt is up, it's actually a good thing because it increases spending and the financial output that a family and a household has. The thinking here is along the lines of if people borrow more, they spend more, they will naturally make more, and down the line they will pay off whatever balances remain, thus at the end, in the long run, better for the community and the economic environment of the country. Now, frankly, when the gap between household income and consumer debt increases and it just widens further and further, in my estimation, that's not a good sign. Fortunately, insofar as I am aware, I don't have any good recent data on the household income. Thus, as a result, I can't really assess it as of now. All we have to work with is this Equifax report that consumer debt in large is up, which, as I said, some schools of thought think it's a good thing. Lastly, one troubling factor that I derive from this report is the delinquency rate. So what counts under the delinquency rate criteria is if you have missed your last 3 previous payments of your credit card balance. And according to this report and articles of this report, it was up by a factor of 10%. So frankly, if you're gonna see a rise in consumer debt, you most likely want to see a stagnation, a balance, and even a decrease in delinquency rate. But if the consumer debt increases and so does the delinquency rate, it leads me to believe that it's potentially not a good sign. Anyways, that was a quick video. This is Sam for SaberiSixRealEstate as well as Remax Realtron Real Estate Inc. As always, you can subscribe, comment, rate, and review, and my contact information is in the description box. I work in the Toronto area with buyers, sellers, landlords, and tenants. So get in touch if you want and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.